Wow. Wow. It is about to rain out there. Oh, yeah, it's starting to rain. Whew. This is going to be a big storm. Thunderstorm watch. Not thunderstorm warning. Not good. Oh my goodness. What was that? Oh my god. Did you guys just see that? Something was just flying across. Oh my god. Don't tell. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all those leaves.
Can I set up a phone interview with the guy? Because Natalie had disappeared for so long.
Oh my god, guys. It's raining. Ooh, this is bad. Okay, Plainfield is getting this too. Very whoa! Papa. The chair cushion's blowing. It's like blowing off. Oh my god, this wind is hard. I'm gonna check it out the front right now. Oh my god, guys. No time. Bad.
Yeah. Where's the kid?
Oh, how bad is it getting out there? How bad?
Oh, it's starting to pick up.
Starting to pick up. Okay. Oh my god, that wind is starting to pick up right now. Grandma. Oh my god, that wind. Look at the wind right now. Oh my god. Guys, this is the strongest wind we've ever had. The strongest wind that we've had. I don't know what this is right now. This is the strongest wind we've ever had. Strongest wind. I'm talking the strongest. Not good. Oh, hi, Cookie. Oh my god, Papa, get inside now. Papa's out there. Papa. Oh no, guys. Go inside. Okay.
Cookie, stay. You had a box here.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh my god, Papa's outside. Okay, guys. Guys, okay, this might be tornado. I don't know. I'm gonna look at my radar right now. See you guys.